Hi friends, my name is Vibhor and today I'm going to tell you about my new application titled iEmpower. So let's go ahead inside the app. So as you can see, there are some first time usage instructions. The first one says, please configure your emergency contacts to begin with. So let's do that. So let's say we select a contact name home. So the home contact appears. Now let's select another contact, say relative. So the relative contact appears. Now let us select another contact, say friend. This is a one-time activity, so once you are done with it, you would only utilize this tool and not configure again necessarily. So as you can see, the friend contact also appears. Also you can see that there is a Delhi police number which is pre-configured inside our emergency contacts. So let's go back to the main screen and let's check out the feature of the app, Inform Emergency Contacts. Now as the GPS of my device was not enabled, it showed me a message and it has directed me to the settings screen to help me enable my GPS. So let me use the use GPS satellites option to enable the GPS of my phone. So I did that. I'm now coming back to my home screen. It is showing me a message that GPS has now turned on. As I'm in an enclosed space doing this demo, so we will allow the GPS to settle. If we are doing this demo outside in open area, the GPS would settle relatively quicker. So now as the GPS looks that it is settled, we'll use the Inform Emergency Contacts button again. So it says GPS is now functional, reporting your location, SMS sent to home. You can hear the beeps around, send to relative, send to friend, and send to Delhi police. So let's check one of the phones here and see what is the message appearing. So as you can see, the message reads, I need help, this is an emergency. My location is my present GPS coordinates, the address it is mapping to. So that was one of the features of the app, the use emergency contacts option, which enable us to inform our emergency contacts with a single click. Now let us go ahead and check another feature of the app, the helplines which are pre-configured. So let's go into the helplines option. So as you can see here, there are some state and national level helplines which are pre-configured inside the app. Let us select the women's helpline, which is the recently launched 181 helpline by the Delhi government. So it's a single click dial feature which enables you to dial with a single click. Let's go back and scroll down to see some more helplines which are there. So you can see all the prominent NGOs and the national helplines for your times of need. So let's go back. Now let's go out of the app and see one of the features of the app, which is a home screen widget, which enables you to do the same functionality as the Inform Emergency Contact, but from the home screen with a single key press. So let's do that. So you can see it is showing informing emergency contacts. It is reporting my present location, and again you can hear the beeps around. And it is showing me the same message with the emergency text and my present GPS coordinates. Now let's go inside the app and check one of the USPs of this app, a feature which probably no other app has captured till now. You can see an option named report location. Let's go ahead and check out what it is. So it has prompted me with a dialog box to enter a concern. Now say let me enter a concern, say Eve teasing. Now I press OK. So it says, thank you, your location has been successfully saved. This feature is one of the USPs of this app. What this feature is enabling you to do is, it is enabling you to anonymously report your concern and your present location. There are times when we do not report any abuse which we face, any harassment or any eve teasing incident, and we keep mum about it. We generally don't take the hassle of going to a Delhi police station and reporting our concern. This feature is enabling you to anonymously report your concern and your present location, and these location and concerns would be mapped onto a Google map and a database, and this repository will be shared with the Delhi police on a weekly basis, and they can do smart allocation of police on the basis of this data and can also analyze the trends. So if I take you to the database of this app, you can see here some concerns and some GPS coordinates being mapped. Let us go ahead and check out the mapping of these GPS coordinates on a Google map. So as you can see, if this data is published daily on a social forum, say like Facebook, and people come to know that there are concerns which are being reported from their particular locality, so even citizens on their own can do citizen level patrolling. They can ensure that at least in their area, in front of their eyes, nothing wrong is happening, because police is a constant workforce and we as citizens should help them and do our bit in the community policing. So this is an excellent feature of this app, and that is why this app is titled as iEmpower, so that it is citizens empowering themselves and helping in eradication of the problems faced by women of the society. Thank you.